There's 3 raccoons.
Leave it on that one. Go up to the one above them.
It's a baby. And then there's a 3rd one.
Keep it on.
I wonder where he's going to go.
He's trying to go down like a crazy son of a bitch.
Alright, if he attacks, I'm running.
He won't attack.
He looks like he's about to jump.
Oh, there's 2 right there.
Those are babies. I think there's a mama up there.
Go up to the top one. Nuts.
You see that thing's trying to bat it out?
What?
It was putting its paw through there. Look, it's right there. It was putting its paw through the fence. Look, there you go. I wonder if I can get close. They can try to check it.
They got rabies. You don't want to get close.
Hey. That's what they're barking at night.